Hey everyone! Welcome to Sam and Feng Cooking. Today I'll be making beef quesadillas. Let's get started. First, I'm chopping half an onion. Two garlic cloves. And half a bell pepper. Add oil to a pan over medium heat and add the onion. Then 1 pound of ground beef. Don't forget the salt and pepper. Ew, look at all that grease. I tilt the pan and use a spoon to get rid of it. That's the easiest way. Now add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, taco seasoning or whatever seasoning you like, and a 1/4 cup of water. Add your peppers and 1 cup of corn. Cook until the peppers have softened and there's no water left. Assemble time! With my flour tortillas I made myself. Check out the video for that in the description. I start with a layer of cheese. You can use whatever kind you like. I buy what's on sale. And add the beef mixture on top. Then another layer of cheese to act as glue when you fold it. Using a dry pan on medium heat, fry on both sides until brown. Cut them in half or thirds and they are ready to be served. I eat mine with a side of salsa and sour cream. Thanks for watching! Bye!
Like and subscribe, please.